If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Let's start this meditation journey. So, relax yourself, sit comfortably, relax yourself. We will do 3 rounds of breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax yourself. Completely relax yourself. Sit comfortably. Relax yourself. If you haven't closed your eyes yet, close your eyes. Now you are ready to receive all the blessings, all the positive energy from the universe. Feel the joyful energy flowing from the sky. Feel the joyful energy, the white light entering into your crown chakra, it coming from the sky, entering into your crown chakra, and it's going down into your body. This white light, this amazing, powerful light coming from the universe, coming from the goddess of prosperity, goddess Lakshmi, it's filling your body. Now you are full of the positive energy, you are feeling the joy. Now you are ready to receive all the abundance, all the joy, all the prosperity into your life. Today is the day for your materialistic manifestation. Now imagine Goddess Lakshmi in front of you, or any god you believe in, any super energy, any spiritual energy you believe in. That spiritual being, that God, the universe, Goddess Lakshmi is in front of you and showering upon you golden light. The golden energy is showering upon you. This golden light filled with all the materialistic abundance that you desire. Now you can see your life is full of all the materialistic manifestation you desire. Now imagine that you are sitting happily and in front of you, you have your dream car. That dream car that you always wanted to drive. This dream car is standing in front of your dream house. The beautiful house that you always wanted to live in. That beautiful house that makes you joyful. That house that is full of love, full of joy, full of luxury and abundance. Now you could able to see inside the house and you have everything that you always wanted in the house. All the luxury, all the wealth, all the prosperity is there inside the house. There is your all your loved ones are sitting in that house and they are thanking you. They are looking at you. Everyone is prosperous. Everyone is joyful. Inside the house, you have your room, the most beautiful room that you have ever seen. It has all the wealth. On one side, you have your favorite phone. It can be your new iPhone or it can be any phone that you desire. On the other side, you have all the good things you desire. Then you can see your wardrobe. You can see all the good stuff that you always wanted to acquire. You open a box, and the box is full of gold, full of diamond, full of silver. This box is full of all the precious thing in the world, and with this energy your face is glowing and this whole room is glowing with this energy coming from this box, and your name is written on the box. Your name is written on the box because the whole thing belongs to you. You feel extremely joy. You are full of joy. Smile. Smile. You are smiling because this precious treasure belongs to you. You are smiling. And now, when you look at the sky, you see Goddess Lakshmi sitting there, showering all her magical blessings, golden blessings upon you, and you feel extremely grateful. You are thanking her or any other spiritual being you believed in. The universe is there. All the gods and goddesses are there. All the angels are there. All the fathers and mothers from the heaven are there. They are blessing you. They are giving you all the positive energy, all the materialistic manifestation. And your life is full of materialistic manifestation, full of materialistic abundance. You are so much of joy. You are so much of happiness. There is no scarcity, there is no lack, only abundance. All your loved ones, your husband, wife, children, family members, friends, everyone is beaming with joy, full of luxury, full of abundance. You bow down to the spiritual master, spiritual energy, Goddess Lakshmi, and you thank them from your heart. You thank Goddess Lakshmi for blessing your life with all the materialistic manifestation. Now you are happy, you are blessed, you are abundant. Your life is full of luxury, joy, and happiness. Feel the joy, smile, smile, smile. Feel the joy flowing in your body. Now look at the sky, be grateful. Say from your heart, thank you, thank you, thank you for all the magical, materialistic manifestations, abundance, money, prosperity I have in my life. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Goddess Lakshmi. Thank you, all the spiritual being, for filling my life with all the materialistic abundance I have in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now you can slowly open your eyes.